welcome to the vlog, man. It's K510 Automotive Group. And today, man, we got another project car, man, similar to this one. And we did a lot of videos of, like, we got a lot of content with the 540. So I decided to get another 540, but this time it's a 6-speed trans, so it's a manual transmission. Just gonna do a quick cold start and go over the project build and what we got planned for it. This one is in kind of bad shape, but the only thing good about it is it is in decent performance-wise. It's in decent shape. Cosmetic-wise, we gotta get some body work done. Interior needs a little bit more work. Yeah, man. Actually, I'm not gonna start it up because I gotta get the put some new brake shoes on the back. And you know, if it's a manual, the car got to be in neutral, and I want to leave it in gear. Yeah, I might start it up. Okay, I started up. Okay.
Give him a taste.
Yeah, man, I never heard that noise before, but I guess we're gonna need some belt. Shit, I mean, it's gonna need a lot of work, man, but that's cool because that's what this channel is about. We like getting like busted cars or classic cars and restoring them. We're definitely gonna have more content going on with the 6 Series soon. I got a lot of parts in and might be going on our first drive, so stay tuned. This is not gonna be a long video, just a little intro to the new project, which is it's a 99 540 6-speed manual. And yeah, man, stay tuned, man. Peace.